Hello students, 10th CBSE formula polynomials. If alpha plus beta and alpha beta given, quadratic polynomial equation x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. If alpha beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, then alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. If alpha beta gamma are the zeros of the cubic polynomial, then x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma. If alpha beta gamma are the zeros of the cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a, alpha beta gamma equal to minus d by a. Alpha plus beta whole square equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta, alpha minus beta whole square equal